Daily markdown for EURUSD for Tuesday, the 19th of September 2023. This is the daily chart. Practically, I mean, if you just look at the chart, we've had a break of structure over here, after which we were expecting a pullback, which has gone very, very deep. For all practical purposes, we're still bullish on the daily because we've not had a candle body close below this strong weak daily low. So we can say that we are still bullish, but given the momentum with which we've come down, I don't expect this to hold, but let's see what happens. So I'm expecting probably price will pull up into this supply, and from here we'll plummet downwards. That's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the H4. This is what the H4 looks like. We are bearish. We've had a break of structure over here, after which we've pulled into this zone. Is this zone going to hold or we go further up? Remains to be seen. But as of now, we are in the pullback phase of the H4, and we'll know that the pullback is over once we at least have a chalk and a change of character, and then we can possibly look at shorts to take this. I haven't marked this yet, but I think I can now. So this is my weak swing low as far as the H4 is concerned. Alright, so that's the H4. The M15, we are in the pullback phase, because if you look at the M15, this was the break of structure that we had, and we are now pulling up. In fact, I had a trade yesterday where we made a 5-hour over here. This is the trade that I took, which resulted in a 5-hour. So we are, which was actually purely based on my premise that the M15 pullback is now over and we are ready to go down, and that's why I was looking at shorts. However, we've seen that we've pulled up a little further into this, and maybe this is also a region that price could possibly pull up into, but we'll wait and see what happens. So coming into into London, if we just look at, I haven't really marked the M15 swing low, which is the same as the H4 swing low. So this is, if we just look at premium and discount, we are currently, we just about kind of gone into premium, and we can possibly now look for shorts because we've crossed the EQ, but wait for at least a chalk on the M15 before looking for shorts, and the chalk will be here and the IBOS would perhaps be here, and then we can look for shorts to take out this weak swing low. So yeah, so coming into of course we also need to look at news. Today is Tuesday, so we have a bit of an orange news, but the rest of the week we got quite a bit of news happening, so just bear that in mind. But as of now, this is again very corrective kind of price action, so maybe we pull up into some kind of a zone, supply zone, and then plummet downwards. But this is where we are, so I'll wait and watch and see how price action develops.